Why did you get it?
Because I knew it'd drive you crazy.
Challenge.
I bet Trace can get his open before you can get yours open.
Trace, anything open? Trace, you got stuff over there in your socks? You got more stuff?
Scuddo! I shot the glass. The secret box. Oh, yeah, over here. Oh, yay, crazy cool fireworks. Are these mine?
Yep.
Those are yours.
Fireworks.
No, only half of that other fireworks is yours.
Great.
You're splitting those.
Put the fireworks back on the counter.
Not doing it till,
half of yours.
not even doing it till the night anyway.
This is mine. That
Yeah, the
is
whole
yours.
thing.
But the small one's only half yours.
But why are you carrying the fireworks over here? There's nothing you can do with them here.
What's this?
What'd you get, Cole?
No, chocolate.
Cole,
Chocolate.
you've been a bad boy.
What's this? Chocolate. Money soap, I'm guessing. I knew it.
So now you're gonna have to bathe.
Welcome to break it in half.
Doesn't work that way. If you break it in half, the money gets ripped.
No, let's break it in. I can just wash it down in hot water.
That's what happened to your toy. What happened to it?
Then I'm going to put my stuff together.
Trace, get the box on the counter and see if you can get yours open before Tanner can get his open.
He can't help me get it open, then he's not going to get his own.
I bet you the $50 bill that's in there that Trace will get his open before yours.
Not if I get a hammer.
Nope, can't cheat.
I'm going to cheat. There's nothing
If you cheat, then you got to give me the $50 bill.
No. There's no way that's happening.
Trace will beat you.
How do you know?
Come on, Trace.
I need to know. And I'll go after your kid.
So far, 5 minutes have gone past, Tanner, and you haven't gotten it open yet. What was that you said?
Forgetting this. I hate this thing.
Trace, sit down next to him.
No. Get him away from me. Okay.
No, sit down.
Keep him away.
I bet he gets his open first.
Yes, I got through there.
Look like you're straining over there, Tanner.
Because it won't shut. I have it trapped. There's no way you can get out of it. I have to break it.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna break it. And here comes the tricky part. Mine has all kinds of dead ends.
That's why it's a puzzle.
Yeah, but there's no way out.
Tanner Sherman!
Okay.
Give me that $50 bill!
No,
You cheated!